Hey guys, Pete Ramsey here. Wanted to give you 3 tips on how to cut your utility costs on your air conditioning system significantly without having to actually replace the equipment. Equipment replacement could be $3, $4, $5, $10,000, just depending on what you have, versus something like these steps that can actually take your existing old air conditioning and restore much of its lost efficiency. Okay, step number 1 is a proper servicing, including a chemical cleaning of the evaporator coils and the condenser coils, as well as a cleaning of the blower. Those 3 items by themselves could reduce your efficiency by some 50%. A good qualified service company can take care of that for you, and at that point they can tweak the refrigerant charge and make sure it's optimal as well. There are several other steps that benefit you in terms of safety, life extension of the equipment, and of course energy reduction. The other 2 steps are products that you can actually purchase, and you can buy them online and have them delivered to wherever you are in the country, for example, and call a service technician out and have them install it. The second item refers to a phenomenon called oil fouling. Virtually all air conditioning, heat pumps, and refrigeration products are subject to oil fouling. Now, without getting too technical, oil fouling is an internal problem circulating with the freon or the refrigerant. Circulating with that is oil. It's part of the lubricating process of the equipment. Well, what it does is it actually coats and inhibits the heat transfer within the coils, and over a period of time you can lose 20–30% of efficiency just in that one from that one phenomenon, and it does happen on virtually all air conditioning. There's a company called Search Energy Solutions. They developed a product called Chillin for residential equipment, and it's called Cold Plus for the commercial. Now, here's what it looks like. When you receive this, it's essentially a special additive. There are special fittings made for refrigeration hoses, and your service technician will understand how to properly install this without getting any air in there. You get air in the system, it's not a good thing, and so this is something that you really want to leave to a professional to do for that reason. But at any rate, they'll take this and they'll force it back in. The manufacturer that produces this will actually give you a guarantee on your equipment, because after using this, just to stand behind their product. It's a wonderful product. Virtually immediately you'll have a 15% reduction in, or I should say a 15% increase in efficiency or loss of inefficiency, however you want to word that. The third product is something that addresses compressor management. Your compressor is the heart of your air conditioning. It's the part that uses all the electricity. Now, contrary to popular belief, running of the compressor isn't really the problem on using a lot of electricity. It's the starting the compressor up that does. It's that lock rotor, that draw of electricity to get this compressor up and running that costs so much money. So when you're on the thermostat, for example, and you turn that thing on and off and on and off by accident sometimes, it consumes a tremendous amount of electricity and also can damage the compressor. This device is called PowerSentri. It's a residential product. It actually wires into the system, and a service technician can follow the wiring diagram and wire this in, but it manages the compressor. It predicts cycles. It eliminates that short, what do you call the short cycling of the equipment, and with what's called a time delay. So it's a minimum of a 3-minute time delay. As soon as this goes in, it will predict the patterns, and it will actually extend the running times in order to keep it from coming on and off unnecessarily. Very sophisticated. All the programming is inside. It also comes with a warranty from the manufacturer. So if you like these 3 products, hopefully you'll take advantage of them. I'll try to put a link somewhere underneath this video so that you can see where to go buy it. Now, if you are locally, for me locally is in South Florida, in Broward County or Palm Beach County, call Today Contractors. They're at airtodaycontractors.com, and they'll sell them to you at cost and just charge you a couple $100s to put them both in. So it's a really good deal. So best of luck. Hope it helped.